I think I should leave that to all my dear senior journalists and friends who've known me since I was like, I think what? Yeah, probably that. Hanging around on Lolo's sets, asking Komal ji also, what are the collections? What are the collections of this movie, that movie? So I've grown up in wanting to be on the big screen, wanting to act all my life. जैसे मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि एक्टिंग मेरी रगों में दौड़ रहा है. मैं और कुछ नहीं जानती. मैं कैमरा के सामने आना is something that I just live for. It's my passion, and I want to keep doing it till I don't know, forever and ever.
Forever, I'm sure. I'm sure.
जैसे I think this is a film which is very very special to I think all of us because I think आज के दौर में language doesn't really matter. आप कौन से भाषा में फिल्म बना रहे हैं वो इतना मायने नहीं रखता है. आप क्या बना रहे हो that is what is important. तो आप देखिए कि हमने क्या बनाया है, दिल से बनाया है. I'd like to thank the first person actually is my dear Ekta, who actually had the belief and the guts to always stand by me, to always say that, okay, fine, we're going to do this, we're going to do it together. And whatever we've done, we've always been super successful. And I'm very confident again this time that it's going to be fabulous. She truly has been the backbone. Of course, this film wouldn't have been what it is without the man himself, the captain of the ship. I think the way he's shot it, the way he's made me also kind of, be the character, made me feel, made me so comfortable. We made this film, I think, with something that we wanted to do. We loved the story idea, we loved the script. When Hansal sent it to me, I was like, we have to make this. I think we made it happen. That is what is most important. And I'm so happy that in my career graph, I've had the opportunity to work with him because I've worked with so many directors. And I'm so happy that this is in a film where I think this character is more special to me. So thank you so much. And that's it. I just hope you guys love it, and I'm sure you will.
Kareena Kapoor Khan, the producer, talk to us about that.
The producer is here.
Kareena, you have produced this film. Yes.
I have produced this film. How? I have only listened to Hansal and Ekta. I don't listen to anyone else. That's all. So I produced it by believing in the script.
Yes,
that's what.
The biggest internationally all women producers who've gone ahead and turned producers is because they've wanted to make films they believe in. And then they've got billion dollar companies after that. This is your beginning.
I hope
Reese with
so.
a spoon?
I'll get the next Balaji. Okay, that's mine. Promise me.
Bigger and better.
I also want to add one thing that, I think most people love to watch a good crime thriller, जैसे मैंने कहा कि भाषा के मायने नहीं होती कि क्या है आप तमिल तेलुगु हिंदी इंग्लिश किस में बात कर रहे हो. Everybody enjoys watching a good whodunit. At least for me, I have been crazy about watching detective shows. So actually for me, I've done this film because I wanted to be a detective. I wanted to solve that murder. Now what the murder is, how it's related to the character is, of course, I think this big emotional journey which I have gone through, which I want each one of you all to see. But watch it for a great fun experience of a crime thriller.
The film's full cost is covered, including P&A, and the whole theatrical worldwide in India is profit. That's how this is a commercial success from day one, which a lot of commercial pot boilers are not.
Right.
And it's all because of one actor who everyone wants. The pre-sales are brilliant because of Miss Legit Superstar Kareena Kapoor.
Whoa. She said it, yeah. She said it, ladies and
I have to
gentlemen.
say it. This is the numbers that speak, And because of that, I think what we have with us is from day one, we have a super hit in our hands. And this is what a film should be. Yeah. It should be financially viable, credible, and when it releases in the theaters, it is a win-win for everyone. So honestly, this is far more commercial than a lot of my commercial films.
She said it. एक बार जोरदार तालियां, ladies and gentlemen.
You know, this film, this is a story that Ekta had heard, and she said कि you have to do it. मैं कुछ और करने वाला था, and thank God, thank you Ekta, for bringing me back into this absolutely amazing experience. I mean, this was perhaps one of the most joyful shooting experiences I have had in my, like, I have completed 30 years since I made Khana Khazana earlier this year. So for me, this has been perhaps one of the most joyous experiences of my career. Also, it's very new territory for me. So, you know, when you go to set and you challenge yourself that, okay, this is not something you have done. I mean, you make films because you thrive on those challenges. And I think that challenge really drove me. I've never made a whodunit. I've never made a murder mystery. And, you know, many people think कि इनको कॉमर्स से कुछ पढ़ी नहीं है भाई मुझे कॉमर्स से ही पढ़ी है आई मतलब if my films don't make money, if my producer is not financially viable, I have no business making films, you know. So I think all of us want a film that one is financially viable, where the budgets first don't fail, you know, because I believe budgets fail, films don't. And then to make a film that is so engaging, so entertaining, and to have a star. I mean, this is again something that Ekta facilitated. Without her, I wouldn't have even met Kareena. I used to see her, I used to live in the same building. She used to go for Christmas. And she would just walk past me, take the lift, and I would look, Acha, Kareena Kapoor, abhi, she just took the lift. So I got to work with, you know, I mean, there is something about, there's a quality that stars possess, and I've experienced it firsthand. Wow. You know, and beyond that, you know, I have been blessed with working with some really great, wonderful actors. And I mean, Kareena is one of the best actors we have today. And, you know, her stardom just draws you to the screens, but her performances have ensured that, you know, 25 years, 50 years, an actor will always be alive. Stardom can, you know, fluctuate, but, you know, your talent will never die. And I mean, she is a absolute powerhouse.
You know, I've worked with Kareena on 4 films now. I have had like this Full House. Very few actors I have been able to get, you know. She gets that. She is a star, but also a great actor. Like when we had got Crew as a script, my only condition to Riya was, this is Kareena, बाकी casting आप कर लो. बाकी हम देख लेंगे, ये मुझे करीना चाहिए. Because I was very sure that there is a certain youthfulness and style that she brings on screen. This was probably a complete metamorphosis, the Buckingham murders. And I thought that, you know, we have a woman with stature, with power. Stories cannot be brought out in public, in the medium that is run totally by men, totally by a different kind of commerce, unless you use your intelligence to make it commercial, at the same time support it with a great actor and a great star. And I knew that for that the actor has to agree. He has to be okay to put himself out there on a different film. And the only one I was sure was as brave and legitimate as far as stardom goes was Kareena. So we approached her. We had decided that if she says yes, this film will be made. And she came on board as an actor and a producer.
From playing Geet in Jab We Met to now playing Jazz, both are Sadani's character. I can easily relate because I'm also a Punjabi. So what traits of Geet would we going to be see in this Jazz, or आप totally change हो चुके हो?
No, I don't think so, because I think that was a completely different film. And also, I think up to an actor to, you know, do different it doesn't matter if you're playing the same authenticity of a religion. Like if I'm a Sikhni, it doesn't mean that I'm going to be Bhatinda wali Sikhni. I should also be able to play the detective Jas Bamra and still be different. So I think that's up to an actor to kind of, showcase different parts. It's important. Like I played a prostitute in Chameli, but at the same time in Talash. But if you put both of them together, they're completely different. So I think same like this also, that it's a completely different character.